Hello friends, myself Rasmi Patel. In this video, we continue our lesson, chapter number 13, Drishtya Grograhanam Swantam. Here, we stop our lesson. Brunella says, Atmagatam. समयकम आह कुमार प्रकाशम एवं वाक्य सौंदर्यम किमठम तेन पदातिन गृहीत. Okay. Atmagatam means to himself. Prince is saying what is right. Prakasam aloudly. Aloud. एवं वाक्य सुनितम. वाक्य सुनितम means in speech. Sudatim bravery. This bravery in speech. This bravery in speech. Kivatatena padatina gruhitaha. Why were you captured by the foot soldier? Padatina means foot soldier. Why were you captured by that foot soldier? Abhimanyu says, Astro mama bigata stodasmi grahanam gataha. Abhimanyu says, Astro mama bigatam means without any weapon. He came to me without any weapon, so I found myself captured. So I captured. He came to me without any weapon, so I captured. Raja says, Toryatam Abhimanyu. King says, hurry up Abhimanyu. Toryatam means hurry up. King says, hurry up Abhimanyu. Brunella, ita Kumara. Esa Maharaja. Upasatu Kumara. Brunella says, here, this way. Prince, this way. Esaha Maharaja. Here is majesties. Upasatu Kumara. Prince approach him. Upasatu means approach. Prince approach him. Abhimanyu says, Kasya Maharaja. Who's king? Brunella says, No. Brahmana Sahaste. No. Means no. He is sitting with a Brahmin. Sahaste. Brahmana. Okay, Brahman. He is sitting with a Brahmin. Abhimanyu said, Brahmanati? With a Brahmin? Question girl. Upagavya. Approaching. Bhagwan Abhivadayane. Bowing down. Bhagwan, Lord, I am bowing down. Bhagwan. Ahi, what's come on, child. What means child? Putra, son. Come on, son. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. Abhimanyu says, Anugruhitaha asmi. Anugruhitaha asmi. I am obliged. Abhimanyu says, Anugruhita means obliged. I am obliged. Raja says, Ahi putra. Atmagatam. Katamma nabi vadayati. Aho. Utsaktam khalu ayam kshatriya kumaraha. Ahamasya darpas pasanam karoti. Prakasam athak kenayam gruhitaha. Ahi putra. Come on, son. Atmagatam means to himself. To himself. Kathamma nabhivadayate. Bowing down. Na abhivadayate means bowing down. He is not bowing down to me. He to himself. He is not bowing down to me. Oh, Utakshati means impudent. Khalu, indeed. I am Kshatriya Kumara. Kshatriya Kumara. This Kshatriya Kumar prince is indeed impudent. Ahamasya darpa pramashanam karobi. I will subdue his pride. That person means subdue his pride. I will subdue his pride. Prakasam, allowed. Prakasam, allowed. Atham kenayam gruhitaha. Who was captured. Next, Bhimsenaha. Maharaja Maya Balleva. Bhimsen says, Your Majesty, मैं बल्लव. By me, by Ballava. Abhimanyu says, Astrana iti Kathiyata. Kathiyata means speak. Say. Abhimanyu says, Astra means without weapon. Okay. Let it be told by you who are not carrying any weapon. Without any weapon. Bhimsal says, Santam Papa. Sahajo me paharanam bhujo. Dhanu dudbale gurhate. Bhimsal says, God forbid. Santam Papa. Sahajo me praharanam bhujo. Bhujo means arms. Praharanam means weapon. Sahajo, natural. My arms are my natural weapons. My arms are my natural weapons. Dhanuha to durbale gahate. Dhanuha means bow. Durbale means weak. Gruhate means carried. A bow is carried by the weaklings. A bow is carried by the weakling. Abhimanyu says, Kipa bhavanam mama madhyam tata ya tatulyam vadati. Madhyam tata means middle father. Vadati means speak. Are you my middle father who speak like that? Are you my middle father who speak like that? Raja says, Putra, kama ayam madhyam nama. Putra, son. Madhyam means middle one. Who indeed is this, the middle one? Who is this, the middle one? Abhimanyu says, Sruyata, listen. Sruyata means listen. Abhimanyu said, listen. Yakhalu jarasangham panchatvam anayasasa. Abhimanyu said, listen. He who indeed killed Jarasangh. जिसने जरासंघ को मारा. एक राक्षस था जरासंघ, जिन्होंने भीम ने उसे मार दिया था. इसलिए कहा he who indeed killed Jarasangh. Tata precisely Uttara. Dare enters Uttara. Uttara says, Tata abhivadayate. Father, I bow down. Raja says, Ayusman Bhavaputra, Api Pujitaha Kuttakarmanaha Yoddaha. King says, Son, may you live long, Ayusman Bhava. May you live long. Son, may you live long. Api pujitaah kutakarnama yoddhaah. Are the soldiers who perform heroic deeds honored well? Kutakarma means performed heroic. Pujita means honor. Are the soldiers who perform heroic deeds honor well? Yoddha, soldier. Uttar says pujitaah. Pujayatasya kriyatam puja. Uttar says pujita means they are honored. They are honored. Let the one who is most worthy to be honored be honored. Pujyatasya means honored be honored. Raja putra kasya. King says son who. Son who. Uttar says ihatra bhavatah dhananjayasya. He is here. He is here. Who? Dhananjaya. Uttar says he is here. Dhananjaya. Raja. Katham Dhananjaya iti? King says what? Dhananjaya? What? Dhananjaya? Uttar says athakima atra bhavata smasanata nijadhanuha turi chaksaya sayake chadaya bhismadaya dupaha bhagnaha vayam cha parirakshitaha. Smasana means crematorium. Okay. Smasana means crematorium. Smasana means from the crematorium. Nijadhanu means his own bow. Tuni, two quarrels. Chakshaya sayaki means innumerable arrows. Bhismadaya means those among whom. And Bhagna, befell, frustrated. Parirakshitaha means protected. Parirakshitaha means protected. Yes. Athakima. Yes. Taking the bows. Two quarrels and innumerable arrows from the crematorium, Bhisma, and other kings were defeated. Lupa king, okay? Other kings were defeated and we were protected by this rewarded man. I repeat. Yes, taking this bow, two quarrels and innumerable arrows from the crematorium, Bhisma, and other kings were defeated and we were protected by this rewarded man. Raja said, Evam etata? Is it like this? Brunnala says, Prasidatu Maharaja. Majesty be pleased. Uttaraha. Vayapanayatu Sadakamam. I am eva Dhanundara Dhananjaya. Uttara. Vayapanayatu means do away. Sadaka means doubt. Do away with doubt. I am eva Dhanundara Dhananjaya. This is surely Dhananjaya, the archerer. Dhanundar means archerer. This is surely Dhananjaya, the archerer. Brunnala says, Yadi aham Arjuna. Tahi I am Bhismasena. I am cha Raja Yudhishthira. The Brunnala says, if I am Arjun, Arjun. Then this is Bhimsana and this is King Yudhishthira. Everybody say, Ihi atra abhatah me pitarah te khalu. Abhimanyu says, here these are my fathers. Here these are my fathers. Tana, Khalu, indeed. Na Rusayati Maya Kshipataha Hastaswas Kshipayati Mama Dristaya Grogahanam Swantam Pitero Yena Darsita. This verse is converted into prose order. Maya, first आएगा Maya Kshipata Mama Hasta Cha Mama Kshipati Maya Kshipataha Mama Hasta Cha Mama Kshipati Drishtava Grograhanam Swantam Yena Pitara Drasitaha. They do not get angry. Sipata. Did not get angry. Sipata. Insult. Rusati. Get angry. Hastana. Laughing. Darsitaha. Saw. Okay. They do not get angry when insulted by me. They do not get angry when insulted by me. And they insult me while laughing luckily. Then don't, I repeat, they don't get angry when insulted by me, and they don't insult me while laughing luckily. The expectation of stealing the cows, the expectation of killing the cows ended well, for it showed me my father. So here our lesson title, Drishtaya Grograhanam Swantam. The expedition of stealing the cows ended happily. I repeat the whole verses. They don't get angry when insulted by me, and they insult me while laughing. Luckily, the expeditions of stealing the cows ended well. Yeah, happily. Iti kramena swana pranavati tas सर्वे तस्मे आशीर्वाद भवति. Iti. Then Abhimanyu bow down one by one his fathers, and they all give him blessing. Here our lesson is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Before stop video, I will send 2 PDFs, meanings and translation. You note down this in your Sanskrit note. Thank you.